In this video, I will show you 3 different ways to earn bank as a teen that I wish someone would have told me when I was 16 years old. And the second method could earn you $76,000 a year without a bachelor degree. Alright, with that out of the way, let's jump into the first one, getting a customer service job. Wait, Ash, isn't customer service notorious for paying minimum wage? And at this point, they might as well pay people 2 potatoes an hour. But hear me out. The money you have saved from the customer service job might build the seeding fund you need to jumpstart the other 2 methods. Or at least it might cause you enough PTSD to last a lifetime, and thus you will work hard to never end up in that position again. Well, you know what? In my experience, customer service has top 3 perks, but if the word customer and service when paired together spirals you into a seizure-inducing episode, feel free to skip to the next section in the timestamp below. Number 1, it's easy to enter, so you won't be stuck in the catch-22 of needing a job, but the job requires experience, but you can't get the job because you have no experience. So for me, I got my first part-time job at Bikini Village at 16 for about $12 an hour. Which leads to number 2, the part-time job can help you build a little bit of a starting fund for the other 2 methods we'll be discussing later on. Like for example, if you want to be a video editor, but your computer is so poo-poo, what you can do is a simple upgrade to your RAM for about $40 to $80. I upgraded my RAM from 8 gigs to 64 gigs, and now my computer is smooth as butter when I want to edit. There are 2 more examples of how I wish I would have used my monthly paycheck of $480 from my part-time job. Okay, number 1, instead of saving 80% of it, I wish I would have put it towards building a website, which is a very applicable skill in the digital age. And number 2, maybe I could have put it towards trying out the dropshipping business model, which was popular on Amazon at the time. The third perk of a customer service job is that it helps you practice different skills for when you get a big kid job. Like number 1, interview skills, salary negotiation skills, team communication skills, or coping skills in the form of watching 4 hours of Eurocamp every day after work while imagining you're having the best Christmas party of your dreams. If you do that, just so you know, you're not alone. The second method to earn money as a teen is becoming a video editor. In the golden age of video content, there are lots of content creators out there dying to make more stuff, but the painstaking and time-consuming process of editing is holding them back. And that's where you come in to save their ass and their time. This is perfect for teenagers because the job is more experience and project-based rather than education-based, which means you can start right now. And a good gateway could be making funny edits of your favorite show or K-pop group. This way you still get to have fun while learning important editing skills. And check out Psychology because they make fire, insanely funny edits that I also use as reference for my videos as well.
친구가 생겼다. 친구 있어 언니? 친구 없어 너? 친구 있어? 아이 있지.
Also, the salary could be really good without a degree. Remember earlier when I said you can use your startup fund to make a website? Well, now is the time to flex your skills and showcase the best editing projects you have ever done on your own website. If you want to learn more about how to build a website from scratch, I recommend this podcast episode from Choose FI, which is what I used to start my first ever website, Flightify, which unfortunately you cannot find on the interwebs anymore because the contract expired. A real-life example of someone using this method is Samson, Valkyrie's video editor. He started in his teens editing YouTube videos for about $10 to $15 an hour, and he said starting out was really hard because the pay was so low and the workload is so high. But as you get more and more experience, you can edit faster and charge more as you build up your own portfolio. If I remember correctly, Samson is also a college dropout. And hey, if you can earn $80,000 a year without falling into the pits of hell, otherwise known as student debt, this might be a pretty good opportunity. If this piques your interest, you might as well try out the third method as well because they kind of go hand in hand, which is starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel breaks down one of the biggest barriers to earning a good income as a teenager, which is being bum-ass broke. Because starting a channel is free. And if you're watching this video, you probably already have a phone and a computer, which is everything you need to start a channel. I do have to say though, if you're looking to earn good money from YouTube, it's going to be a marathon and not a race. Because usually the YouTube algorithm will take around 30 to 50 videos before it really starts suggesting your videos to more and more viewers. But hey, there are already YouTubers out there who has gone through all the painstaking process and hardship and proven that with consistency and high quality videos, the work will very likely pay off in the end.
Here's a really good resource for if you want to learn more about starting a YouTube channel.
I'm currently taking a course on how to grow my own YouTube channel from Jade Beeson. And she was a marketing expert who used her knowledge on social media marketing to grow her own channel from zero to monetization in just 6 short months. And one of her biggest secrets to success is providing high quality content on a consistent basis. She posted 2 long-form videos a week and 5 shorts a week as well. A pretty intense schedule for sure, but in Jade's words, the first few months is more about quantity than quality because you want the YouTube algorithm to view you as a consistent and high quality content creator, so it will recommend more of your videos to viewers. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe because I try to pack my videos with as many actionable tips as possible. Now you might be like, okay, great. What kind of channel should I start then? Well, generally speaking, you want to pick a topic that people will want to pay for services to solve their problems, like health, wealth, or relationships. A good example in the health arena is this freelance copywriter coach. She was able to consistently make $6,000 to $7,000 a month as a freelance copywriter. So she made a course on teaching people how to do just that. And many people found her course through her YouTube channel, me being one of them. Unfortunately, I can't go back and find her freelance copywriting videos because she has moved on to become a music producer. So I'm so sad. Can't show you guys. So this is just me estimating how much she has earned from her course. So I paid around 300 USD. And the last time I checked, there were around 540 people in her course. And she has been running this course for about 4 years-ish. So approximately, she has earned around $40,000 a year from the course alone. Other ways to earn money from a YouTube channel includes the following 5 things. But what if you don't have any knowledge to offer at the moment? Well, what you can focus on instead is reading and learning as much as you can from one of the 3 categories that we mentioned previously. Ideally one that interests you the most. Here's a quote that really reassured me when I started my own YouTube channel. When you have read 3 books on a particular subject, you are at least 80% more knowledgeable than the average person. And for me, not only have I already saved and invested around $70,000 ever since I was 20 years old, but I've also read over 40 books on personal finance and listened to over 160 hours of financial independence content. So I think I'm just a little bit more knowledgeable than the average person. Another tip to help you start your own channel is to choose a niche that you have already achieved some level of success in. For example, in the health sector, Elena was able to achieve a beauty glow up in her early 20s.
I'm the final boss at glowing up. Look at what I look like before, and this is what I look like now. So here's my ultimate broke girl glow up guide because I'm a broke college student.
And now she teaches other people beauty and fashion tips on helping them do the same. And I think what makes her channel super successful is that she makes a lot of how-to videos and list videos. Also, she has such a candid sense of humor that had me laughing like I'm having an asthma attack on multiple occasions.
I never gatekeep. In fact, I'm like the gate opener, but here are 5 lip products that I wish I could gatekeep, not because they're good, but because they suck dookie.
Also, she posts on a very consistent schedule of 3 to 5 shorts a week. And Lord knows that the YouTube algorithm loves consistency. And as a result, she's able to grow her channel to 880,000 subscribers in little over a year through YouTube Shorts. There's more than one way to earn mad bucks, even though if you're just a teenager. If you're interested in another way that you could earn maybe $100 an hour as a high school student, watch this video next. Thanks so much for hanging out today. I'll see you over in this video. All right. Okay. Bye.